Hello and namaste once again. Welcome to Nepstop.com. Today we will learn how you can add new variable products to your store. This is what your final variable products will look like. A variable product is one that has different colors, sizes, and other attributes, as well as a variable price for each variable item. As you can see in the example, different products have different prices as per color and size, and you can customize them to meet your product requirements. Now let's see how you can add variable products to your store. First of all, log into your vendor dashboard. Then go to the product menu and select Add New. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Variable Product. Then, in the box for the product title, type in your product name. Here is my product, a plain t-shirt for men. Then, in the image box, choose the main picture of your product. Upload additional variable images of your product in the small image box. Then, in the short description box, type in the MOQ, minimum order quantity, for your product. The MOQ for this product is 6 pieces per color. If you are selling wholesale, typing in the MOQ is mandatory. In the description box, type in the details about your products. Then select the appropriate category for your products from the category menu. You can choose multiple categories for your goods. On the brand menu, select the brand for your product if it's not listed. You can add a new brand for your product. In tags, create new tags for your product, which will help your customers find your products easily. You can then manage your product inventory in the inventory menu. Then, in the shipping menu, add the details for your product. Since the shipping of your product is determined by its weight, adding the exact weight of your product per piece is compulsory. Then, in the tax menu, choose the tax slab for your product. Here, my product is taxable in VAT. Then, in the attributes menu, choose the various attributes for your products, such as color and size. Then in variable menu, select variations bulk options and then choose the create variations for all attributes option. Then pop-up will appear, select OK button on the pop-up. By using this option, system will automatically create all the variables from the selected attributes of your product. After the system has created all the variables for your products, you can customize each variable according to your requirement by selecting the blue arrow down button on the right. Here you can customize each variable product different image, price range, sales range, weight, shipping details, inventory management etc. accordingly to each product's color and size. After filling all the details in different variables of your product, you can look at the other menus below. Since I don't have any other informations to add for this product, I am going to skip all the other menus below. Then click on the submit button below after you finish customizing all the details about your variable product. Then your product will be published on Nepstop.com. To view how your product looks like, click on the eye icon above. So this is how you can successfully add new variable products to your store. Happy selling on Nepstop. Nepstop.com, Nepal's one-stop online platform for all the wholesale products. Thank you.